Hey there, fellow science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of parasitic fungi, specifically the Cordyceps genus, and its incredible ability to turn insects into, well, zombies. But before we get into the gory details, let me tell you, this is one of the most intriguing biological phenomena I've ever come across. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore a hidden corner of the natural world that's both terrifying and awe-inspiring. First things first, why are we so fascinated by these fungi? Well, it's not just the zombie-like behavior that makes them captivating. It's the intricate dance between the fungus and its host, the complex mechanisms that allow the fungus to manipulate the insect's behavior, and the evolutionary adaptations that have made this relationship so successful. Now, let's take a closer look at the Cordyceps and its latest twist. You see, scientists have recently discovered that the Cordyceps fungus doesn't just infect insects, it also lives in mosses. This finding, published in the journal IMA Fungus, suggests that the fungus has a second life stage where it resides within the moss, possibly as an evolutionary adaptation to survive when insect hosts are scarce. Now, this raises a deeper question: is the fungus manipulating the moss in some way, or is it just using the moss as a temporary shelter? Personally, I think this discovery opens up a whole new avenue of research into the complex relationships between parasites and their hosts. But let's back up a bit and understand the Cordyceps' typical behavior. As I mentioned earlier, there are over 400 species of Cordyceps, each targeting a specific insect species. The spores attach to the target insect, like a carpenter ant, and germinate, spreading through the host's body via long tendrils called mycelia. The fungus essentially turns the ant into a zombie slave, compelling it to climb to the top of a plant and clamp its jaws around a leaf or twig. The fungus then slowly devours the ant, sprouting through its head in a final indignity. It's not a pretty sight, but it's a testament to the power of evolution. Now, what makes this really interesting is the mechanism behind the zombification. Prior research showed that the release of a special chemical causes the muscles in the infected ant's mandibles to contract forcefully, resulting in the death grip bite. But a 2017 study revealed that the fungal cells form an elaborate, interconnected 3D network, enabling them to communicate and exchange nutrients. They essentially cut the brain off from the rest of the ant's body, so the networked cells can control its behavior. And in 2019, scientists found that the fungus doesn't directly attach to the brain. Instead, it breaks apart the membrane covering the jaw muscle fibers, causing contractions strong enough to damage or destroy the muscle filaments. So, what does this all mean? Well, for one, it shows the incredible complexity of the Cordyceps strategy. But it also raises a deeper question: how do these fungi manage to manipulate the behavior of their hosts so effectively? And what other adaptations have they developed to survive in different environments? Personally, I think this highlights the importance of studying these parasites in their natural habitats, rather than just in a laboratory setting. It's only by understanding the full context that we can truly appreciate the beauty and complexity of the natural world. In conclusion, the Cordyceps fungus is a fascinating example of the intricate relationships between parasites and their hosts. Its ability to turn insects into zombies, live in mosses, and manipulate the behavior of its hosts is a testament to the power of evolution. So, the next time you see a mossy leaf or an ant struggling to climb a plant, remember the complex story behind these seemingly simple organisms. And who knows, maybe you'll start to see the world a little differently. Because, in my opinion, the natural world is full of surprises, and the Cordyceps is just one of them.